Pyongyang JY2623E Adpil Corporation. Alright. Good tinder. Okay. Right problem. Alright. Okay. Excavator. Okay. Pyongyang excavator from Adpil Corporation. Okay. Excavator 117. Okay. Pyongyang. Okay. Right problem. Number 117 Adpil Corporation. Okay. Good tinder. Good twice. Okay. Good condition there. Excavator year 2018. Excavator Pyongyang. All right. Okay. Good thing. Right problem. Right problem. All right. Okay. Is the excavator. Okay. Good thing. Right problem. Good twice. Okay. Right problem. Okay. Good finally. Excavator. Right problem. Alright. Pyongyang JY2623E from Adpil Corporation. Alright. Fight finally and go.